Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we sample another blend that's part of the Custom Blend series. This time it's from Milan Tobacconists. It's a brick and mortar store in Roanoke, Virginia. And found them online, as you do nowadays. And I bought 6 blends, and this is going to be the first blend we're going to do a take on. It's a good blend. Okay, what are we into today? This is from, like I said, Milan Tobacconists. They are on South Jefferson Street in Roanoke, Virginia. And I will leave a link down below in the bucket. Oh, I love that. For all their information and for pretty much anyone I talk about in my videos, I'll leave information for them down below. Would be their, to follow them, follow their channel if you want to look them up. So what blend am I smoking today? This is called Our London Dock, and this is a take off of the original London Dock, which is from I wanted to say McClellan. It's not McClellan. I have it written down in my book. I'll talk about that. But this is their take on it, and I did read some history on it, and the blend had a lot of history from the 30s and different components. At one point in time, it had deer tongue in it. I was going to print that out, but I'm doing a little something with the computer. And just a note, not that anybody's going to know, but this is the last video that I'm filming with this phone. I dropped my phone a little while ago, and the back's broken, the front's broken, it's cracked up, there's pieces falling off of it. Well, I got a new phone yesterday, and it's transferring all the data and everything. So final video with the old iPhone, and next video will be with the new iPhone. Same model and everything. So here they got really nice, nice labels and everything. Once again, I'm buying bulk. I'm not buying tins. And 120 is the day that I put it in my jar. Pretty simple ordering process. Go to their website, look around. They have lots of house blended tobaccos, which is what I'm after with this series. And they have lots to choose from. Great shipping, no problem. It's a no-brainer. What am I smoking out of? This is a favorite pipe of mine. The shape, I don't really know what you call that shape. It's a bent something or other. But I got this pipe for free. I've talked about it before. I bought a pipe from Pipes and Cigars years ago when I first started smoking a pipe. And they said, hey, you get a free pipe. So I chose this pipe. It has no name on it, no date, no nothing. I call it the no-name basket pipe. And it smokes like a champ. It looks real cool. And I go to this pipe a lot. Okay, on to the book. Okay, we're back. You notice the audio is a little different. Actually filmed that whole video, and right before I started going to the book, my microphone cut out. It ran out of juice. I really hate when that happens, and that's why I always do this in my videos, because that happens. So, reset the camera up. No microphone, so just iPhone audio. Last time with this phone. Let me fire this up, and we'll get to the book. Okay, on to the book. Once again, this is from Milan Tobacconists in Roanoke, Virginia. This is Our London Dock. It is listed as a non-aromatic. I'm not sure classifications. I would say this is like a light aromatic, but I don't know. It contains Perique, Turkish, Burleys, and a touch of buttered rum. That touch of buttered rum is what kind of, throws me a little bit. It's yeah. Tin note, I got brown sugar, dates, melting sugar. And I mean melting sugar like when you're cooking a dessert or something. You're melting sugar down on the stove, gets that little wisp of that sweet burning sugar. You'll know what I mean when you stick your nose in that bag. plums, dried fruit. It's just an amazing tin note. The cut was ribbon. The color was light to dark browns. And the moisture was very good. When I first smoked with this, I was smoking this very pipe, my bent basket pipe. I was having a coffee and my teeth were in, which is exactly, excuse me, the setup that I have going on today. So this is a mirror of the first time. I first smoked this on 1/22/23. My first take, 5 minutes of dry time. I said, big smoke, smooth and rich. I do believe you're getting a lot of that. Like I said, well, we'll talk about the tobacco components a little more. I said it's thick and creamy over the palate, and by that I mean there's no bite, there's no harshness. It's just smooth like double heavy cream. I said I'm getting a nice rum note in the background, just a hint of spice from the Perique. So far, a nice blend. Wow, what a tasty blend. Once again, Burley is in this blend, but it's not out in front, and I like that. I've never claimed to like Burley, and I've said it in many videos. Really, Burley forward blends are not for me. They just have a taste that I don't enjoy. I don't get along with them. But Burley's in this blend, but it's in there balanced and mixed in, for me anyways. And I think that's what's giving you some of that big, plumy smoke, that smoothiness, with a little bit of nuttiness. But it's not out in front. It's not the main component in the blend. And I enjoy Burley's in that way. I also enjoy cube cut Burley's. I don't know why, but cube cut Burley's and blends seem to really agree with me. Some other notes. I smoked it out of my Nording freehand, which did not smoke as good. It wasn't as flavorful out of my Nording. I mostly smoke English blends and Balkan blends out of my Nording, and I'm thinking this blend going through that pipe, that could have been why, but I didn't enjoy it as much out of my Nording, but I still enjoyed it. I said I really like this blend. I'm not sure what elf worked their magic, but this is a great blend. They state this is a match to London Dock from Middleton. Couldn't remember before. I said I never smoked the previous. This blend is so nice. I did look up a little history. London Dock, I do believe it started in the 30s, the blend name, excuse me. And it went through many variations and different companies making it, and companies get bought out and took their little take on it. At one point in time, it had deer tongue in the blend. It does not have deer tongue anymore. But I think if you're looking for a smooth, easy smoke with some great flavor, top to bottom, try our London Dock from Middleton's, or from Milan. Middleton's. I don't think I've ever smoked a Middleton's blend. But give Milan Tobacconists a try. Oh, another thing that's really cool is you can go in there and you can buy all their house blends per ounce, 1 ounce at a time. You don't have to do the minimum of 2. So you can technically try more styles and more blends. They have a great setup how you go through the menu to pick out what you're looking for. But this blend for me, it's about 10:30 in the morning, and this blend is awesome in the morning with a cup of coffee, in the evening, at night, and the tin note. If I have some of this in the evening and at night, when I get up in the morning to go to work and I cut through the garage, cut through the shop, it leaves a beautiful, sweet smell in the air, and I can still smell it the next morning. And I think it's great. Excuse me. Oh, look at that. But enjoy yourself a bowl of this house blend, this boutique blend from Milan Tobacconists. I think it's great. I'd like to thank them for making it, for sticking around, because the brick and mortars are definitely a tough business to be in at this point. But I'll leave everybody's information down below. Check it out. I bought 6 blends from them, so I'll have definitely more in this series from Milan Tobacconists. But get some, enjoy a bowl of this. It's awesome. Because that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this bowl. I'm going to enjoy my cup of coffee before afternoon hits and we have to go out and actually do some stuff. But great blend. I am giving this 4 matchsticks from my shop because this is something I want to have in a jar, have it on the shelf. Always want to have some of this on hand. I think it's really, really good, and I think everyone will enjoy it. Well, hey, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.